This is the new 2021 Wellhouse Matino. As you can see, there's a new graphics pack for 2021 with smart Union flag graphics on the bonnet and incorporated into the side stripes. It's also available in a load of new colours. We'll give you more details about that later. If you want to see the full video on the Matino, we'll post links below and at the end of the video. I don't know why the end of the video is over there, but that seems logical. So if you want to find out more information, see those. This is just a quick overview of the new features for 2021. The changes aren't limited to the exterior either. Inside you'll find a new overhead locker system with 2 compact lockers, adding some useful additional storage space. As well as the gloss wood effect panelling, you can also go for this cool satin white finish. You can also choose from lots of interior fabric options too, including this Union flag leather, which really looks the part with its embossed leather detailing that even extends into the cab seats. There's lots of clever storage in the rear too, including 3 handy cubby holes, a deep storage locker and a sealed gas locker. This one has the optional Gaslow refillable system fitted. A useful optional extra is this bike rack, which can fold down when in use and hold up to 3 bikes. Simple latches secure the wheels, and when you're done using it, it simply folds up out of the way. As well as the white and silver models featured here, you can also get the Matino Proace in grey and black.